take a walk with me in my beautiful Seattle neighborhood. We call this the crown of Queen Anne. I get to see and admire these beautiful homes and these beautiful sights every single day. My neighbors and I joke that we live on the Beer Street in Champaign Boulevard. Our homes are smaller than what we see here, but this walk is just breathtaking. When I head out, I stopped asking, what did I get done today? And I started asking, did I enjoy any of it? These are the small wins that I look for every day. And just walking out in this beautiful environment fills my heart. And that in and of itself is a win. Not every hour needs a purpose. We're just walking. You to see this house coming up. My girlfriend just purchased it because it had a devastating fire, and so she plans on redoing that home, which will be stunning. Oftentimes, if you think about it, you don't need a life overhaul. Just one slower moment today. And this is your sign to stop rushing and just go out and start walking. It'll clear your heart, it'll clear your mind. This is a beautiful shot of our city and a very typical sky for Seattle. Hello, Space Needle. I hope you've enjoyed this walk with me today. And let's keep on doing things like this together.